Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off ad blocker in Samsung Internet. So if you want to disable or turn off ad blocker on your Samsung Internet browser, then here's a video for you. So for the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off ad blocker in Samsung Internet, all you need to do is go ahead and open the internet browser on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Click on the menu icon at the bottom right. Then locate and click on ad blockers. Now, once you selected ad blockers, you should see you are protected from ads, and under ad blockers, you should see all available ad blockers. Now locate and disable your current ad blockers. You can see I'm using ad blocker for Samsung Internet. To turn off or disable ad blocker on my Samsung Internet browser, just toggle this off, and then you can see avoid ad by turning on an ad blocker. That shows you've successfully turned off ad blocker on your Samsung Internet browser, and then you're good to go. So that is exactly how to turn off ad blocker on Samsung Internet. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.